Namaste, my friends. As you can see over my right shoulder, our feathery friend keeps coming back. And he reminds me of another bird story I heard once, and it goes something like this. A little bird once lived in the colder climate. Around this time of the year, where it was just starting to get cold. But he was still tweeting away, happy as a lark, forgetting about the weather. And he decided to make an early start. But he was so happy meeting his friends, he continued to tweet. And once he decided to leave, he flew into the sky. But as he rose a little bit higher, the weather was so cold, he froze and fell into a field, a cow field to be exact. And he was there. And as cows do, cows make cow mounds. And this bird was lucky enough that the cow pooped on him and made a cow mound over the bird. And as most cow mounds are, they're very warm. So within a few minutes, the bird started to recover, defrosted himself, and he could not believe it. He was so happy. And he started to tweet again. But as he started to tweet, a cat walked by, opened the mound, and ate the bird for breakfast. So the moral behind this story is, not everyone that heaps crap on you is your enemy. And not everyone that gets you out of crap is your friend. So be mindful. Be mindful. Namaste.